Chrissy here. I'm back with a quick video. This is not the video I intended to film today. I really wanted to put up a vlog because when I did my New Year's goals, I talked about wanting to be more consistent with YouTube, and then I filmed the video where I talked about what you could expect from my channel. And in that video, I talked about how I was going to try to put out a vlog a week, and I don't think that I have done that since that video. So I wanted to get on here really quickly and just explain why haven't I been vlogging. Mostly it's because things are just hectic around here. We are adjusting to a new normal. Robbie is home full-time now. If you watch my Vlogmas series, you will know that he is now doing his schooling primarily from home, and that has been a bigger adjustment than what I expected. He's only going into the school once a week, so if he needs help with homework, I'm the one primarily helping him with that. I'm the one encouraging him to do his work, and it's just been a bigger undertaking than what I thought it would be. So it's taking up a lot of each day, and I just kind of figured that nobody wants to sit and watch me just sit with my kid while we do schoolwork and homework and stuff. So it's just been a bigger adjustment than what I expected. We haven't had as much free time as I've had in years past with being a stay-at-home mom with kids in school full-time. So it's just been a little bit tricky trying to negotiate our new schedule and put ourselves on routine and that sort of thing. So that's why you haven't been seeing Monday vlogs. It's just not been a whole lot of interesting things to share with you guys, and we've just been busy trying to keep up with all the curriculum and stuff. So yeah, that's essentially what I wanted to tell you guys. Just give you a little update on how Robbie's doing. He's doing really well with the seat time waiver. He's getting better grades than he has gotten previously and working really hard. He's got a lot of credits to catch up on, so it's been a lot of work. Lots of hours every day, but he's really thriving right now in the environment that he's in, I think. So that's been going really well. And essentially that's why I haven't been vlogging, because there's just not been time, nor has there been super interesting content. So that's the video for today. I just wanted to give you a quick explanation, because I know you guys are thinking, like, she said she was gonna vlog and then she hasn't vlogged at all. So in the past, when I've said I was going to vlog and haven't, it's been because of, you know, seasonal depression and not wanting to pick up the camera and stuff, and that has not been the case at all. I have not struggled with that at all this year so far, knock on wood, but it's just been crazy busy. So I hope you guys will give me a little bit of grace in the not vlogging department and in the not posting 5 videos a week like I said I would. Right now I'm sticking with 4 videos a week, Tuesday through Friday. I'll try to pop in with a vlog as soon as I can, and I really appreciate your guys' patience and understanding. So that's it for my video today. Super quick. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you've been enjoying the other content on my channel. I've really been enjoying sharing budgeting videos with you guys and sharing what I'm eating with Weight Watchers. I'm going to come back at the beginning of February and give you guys a little bit of an update on how Weight Watchers is going and the weight loss and all of that. So stay tuned for that if you're interested in that. But yeah, if you guys have any video suggestions, leave them down below. I'd love to hear from you. Subscribe so that you never miss a video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!